Guess what, guys? It's giveaway prize time again! That's right, we are giving away prizes worth $3,000. So what does that mean for you? Very simple. 10 of my subscribers will get to enjoy a full 1-year subscription to Optinly worth $300 each. So times 10, that's $3,000 in total worth of giveaway prizes. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so today we are going to have a look at Optinly.com. So basically what they do is website pop-ups to engage with your visitors. And you can choose among quite a few different options. You have exit pop-ups, full screen overlays, spin the wheel, countdown timers, floating bars and slide-in pop-ups. So all together it's a very nice comprehensive solution. Now let's face it, not all businesses want to grow their email list. Some want to increase e-commerce sales, and maybe others might want to reduce cart abandonment. So whether it is growing your email list or increasing your sales, Optinly will help you to achieve that. Now, watch the whole video until the end, and then I'll tell you how you can win a $300 subscription to Optinly. Okay, so let's go to the Optinly.com website, and as you can see, their main purpose is build smart email pop-ups. So this is the main goal, but basically, okay. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see a goal-based website pop-ups for every existing business goal. So it's not just to grow your email list, which is the main purpose, obviously, but you can also use Optinly to increase e-commerce sales, promote special offers, and conduct surveys as well. So very handy indeed. So let's address the pricing now. So price per month or annually, this is up to you. So we can get the free version. So this is basically free forever, no credit card required. Single site usage. So there are some limitations, obviously, and then it starts right up at $9 per month and then $25 per month. So this is the one that we are giving away, 10 of them at $25 per month for a full year. So $300 worth of giveaway prices times 10. Very good. So feel free to get started with any of those plans here. And then I'll meet you guys now in the back end. Okay, very good. And now that you've registered with them, we can log in into our account. So let's click on login. There you go. So this is our admin panel. So this is from where we can set up all our campaigns and see all our different subscribers and all the different settings. And we can add different websites as well on which we want to add those features. Okay, so from here, clearly we have to add a new campaign. We're clearly invited to add a new campaign. So let's click on this. And as you will see, it's very well thought out actually. So we need to set a title. So let's call this test campaign for now. And these are the main goals basically that you want to achieve. What is the intent of your campaign? So as you can see, is it to build an audience, guide website visitors, promote special offers, reduce cart abandonment, increase cart value, and so on and so on. So I have 10 different choices here. So as you can see, these are the main intent that you would want to achieve, obviously, if you have an e-commerce website. So let's say at the moment, let's select promote a special offer. So let's say we have a special offer and this is the intent of this campaign. So we click create now. So clearly from here, we are invited now to select one of the templates. So as you can see, there is a large selection of different templates ready-made that you can tweak around and customize to make it your own. Now, if you go back on top here, you can narrow down your results as well using those buttons here. So it could be just pop-up, floating bar, sidebar, full screen pop-up, spin wheel, and all of that. So let me show you the sample website that I've created here. So that's basically a skincare product website, an e-commerce website. And as you can see, we have a few products here as well. So, okay, so let's create a pop-up campaign for this website. So we go back to Optinly and maybe we could go, let's say, for a full screen pop-up. Why not? Okay, so this is narrowed down now just to full screen pop-ups. And as you can see, we have quite a few to choose from again. So let's go maybe with something with a nice picture like this one. Let's go with the first one. Why not? So use this template. And we can have a quick preview as well. So if you click on this, you'll see immediately what it looks like. So this is how it will show up. And it will come up on your screen with a nice picture and all of that. And you can get a coupon code just by clicking on this. Okay, so let's tweak this around and then I'm going to show you how to install it on your website. Very good. So we can customize it. So I'll click on customize. So we have our picture here and all the text that goes with it. So as you can see, it says holiday sale. Maybe you want to call it differently. Maybe you want to call this maybe holiday specials. Okay. So let's click on this on the small pencil and then you can change the text here. So let's call this specials. Okay. Holiday specials. And then they have to enter the email address here, which is normal. You might want to ask them to accept terms and conditions because of GDPR compliance, obviously, you know. And then you get the coupon code. So how does that work? As you can see, it says get coupon, and then you can customize the button as well. So let's click on this. So you can change the color here, the background and all of that. So as you can see, the button color is white. So maybe you want to change the color. So let's make it maybe red. And then we can change the text color maybe to a white, so it's easier to read. There's more contrast. So there you go. This is how easy you can tweak things around. And you can do the same with your background picture. So this is a very nice picture, but if you wanted to replace that picture, all you have to do is click replace picture. And then you can select either from the Pixabay selection here, which has free open source, royalty-free images readily available to you, which is very nice. Or you can upload your own, obviously, and then all you have to do is to click upload from computer, and you can either drag and drop it or select the folder and the file on your computer. So let's go ahead and let's select maybe one picture here. Let's say, okay, let's go with something, a nice view here, maybe this one, just to show you how it works. So there you go. Now we have holiday specials, and then you can see here all the different information, our button as well to get the coupon code. Now with your button here, you can see it says here you can redirect after subscribe. So once they've clicked and opted in, you can redirect them to a specific page on your website as well. So this can be handy as well in some situations. So let's go ahead with this. Let's keep it simple for now. And let's click save template. As you can see, we have confirmation that says your template has been updated. Okay, very good. And now let me show you how you can install it on your website. Okay, so they made it very easy for you to understand how to do this. As you can see, there's a question mark here, installation instruction. So if you're in doubt, just click on this and they're going to tell you exactly what to do. So you can install a JavaScript on your page, in which case you just copy and paste this in the header section of your website. Or if you're using WordPress, which is our case, you can also download an Optinly plugin. As you can see here, download the plugin and then use this code inside the app to activate it on your page. So let's go and do this. So we go back to our WordPress dashboard. We go into plugins, add new, and we're going to type in Optinly here in the search box. And this is the very first one here. As you can see, there's only one, obviously, you know. And then all you have to do is to click install. So that's going to take just a few seconds. There you go. And then we need to activate it now. Very good. So as you can see now, our plugin is installed and activated. And now we have an additional tab in our menu section here called Optinly. So if you click on this, there you go. You can see here we're prompted to enter our app ID. So let's go back to our Optinly website. And as you can see, this is the app ID. So all we have to do is click on the copy here button that's copied. And now we're going to paste it. So Control V, there you go. And now we're going to click connect. And normally it should connect automatically. And as you can see, it's confirmed. Your app has been verified successfully. So this is done now. The connection between the website and our website is done and taken care of. And now we are going to be able to display our pop-up on our website. So how do we go about this? And now we need to finalize our campaign. So we go back to Optinly. We can close this window. And as you can see, we have a button here that says go back to settings. So let's click on this. Okay, so we've customized our campaign, we selected a template. Now we need to decide on which devices we want to display this pop-up. So do you want to display this on desktops, on mobiles, on tablets? So it's really up to you. Maybe you want to disable that for mobile phones, in which case you can use the toggle switch here. But let's leave it on for any devices at the moment. Next to it, as you can see, we have our display rules. So basically here, you need to define what will trigger your pop-up. Okay, so it could be show on page load. So if someone loads your page, it will show up immediately. Show on exit. So if I reach out to this button here or in the tab to close it, it will show up. Or click to trigger. So if you click on any element on your page, it will show up. So let's keep it on show on page load for now. And then you can delay as well the pop-up. So show pop-up after a visitor spends how long? So how many seconds? So let's say, I'm just gonna, for the sake of our tutorial, let's keep it short, so maybe 2 seconds, okay? But if you put 60 seconds, it'll be a minute, 30 seconds, half a minute, and so on. So feel free to customize that based on your own personal preferences. And then the pop-up should reappear to the same visitors after how many days? So as you can see here, it's set to 5 days. So basically it will save a cookie on the computer and it will only show up after a certain amount of days. So a general rule of thumb with pop-up windows is maybe once or twice during their visit, not more, because it can get very annoying very quickly, you know, with pop-ups, and then you're going to just infuriate your visitors and they're just going to leave. So you don't want that, obviously, you know. So this is a nice feature here that they put in place. So you can set this up maybe every 5 days or maybe every 7 days or whichever you think is best, okay? And that's basically it, you know. The only option left is the spam protection here, obviously. So you might want to enable this to enable reCAPTCHA. So let's do this together. Now you are safe and secure. So all the bots and annoyance like this will not have access to these settings. So now let's save and go live. That's all we have to do now. So that's it. And as you can see now, the status is active. So now we can use it on our website. So now let's have a look at our website. And normally if we refresh our web page, it should show up within 2 seconds. Okay, so let's refresh. There you go. And now if I close this window, this pop-up window, it will not show up again for another 5 days. So I'm going to show you now. If I click on About, and then if I come back to the home page, it makes no difference. As you can see, it will not show up. So it's not too aggressive. It's very nice. It shows up once and your visitors can decide whether or not they want to take action. Now let's have a look at another nice feature, another template. So we're going to change the template here. And we're going to select this one here, spin the wheel. That's a very, very nice one. I'm going to show you, absolutely amazing. So let's customize this feature. Very good. So as you can see, we have 10 different segments here, different sections, and they all have different offers and different text. Okay, so first we can select the colors. So we can choose whichever colors fit our own template and requirements, obviously, you know, it doesn't have to be red and yellow. So let me change the colors very quickly. So here we are now with different colors. So let me hide myself so you can see the wheel. And then we can choose different fonts as well. So it's really up to you. So let's select another font, maybe. Let's select Open Sans, maybe. Why not? It's a nice one. And then you can edit the text content as well, all these lines here. So edit text. And the way they did it is absolutely great and very easy to follow as well, as you will see. So basically we have the label. So 20% off, you lost this time, free shipping. So this is basically what you can see here in those different sections, okay? And obviously you have 10 of them. Now you can remove that, you can make it less than 10. But the reason why by default you have 10 lines is because the probability ratio is 100 out of 100. So basically, what are the chances of you winning 20% off is 5%. What are the chances of you hitting this one, you lost this time, is 20%. So basically, if you totalize all these different numbers, you'll get 100 out of 100, which is 100%. Now, next to this, you have a different column that's called Win. So basically, this is a toggle switch. So if someone hits this section here, what does that mean? Did they win something or not? So if it's green, it means yes. If it's gray, it means no. So did they win something? Yes. So what is it? It's a coupon code. So this is the coupon code that will display if they hit this section. And obviously on your website, you have to set up your own rules using maybe WooCommerce or something like this and set up your own coupon code. So when they go on your website and copy and paste this, they will get 20% off. And you can do this all along with all these different lines. Again, as you can see, this one here, you have 10% chances of winning 50% off. And again, don't forget to set these up on your website as well so that your visitors can use them at checkout. Okay, so let's put this to the test. So what we do now is save template. Okay, we can go back to settings. And now we're going to go back to our website and put this to the test. Okay, so let's go back to our website and now we can refresh. So I deleted the cookie, obviously that was saved on the computer so that it will display again. So let's refresh our page and let's have a quick look at how this looks like. So this is our spin the wheel, and now let's go and let's spin it. So now clearly for us to be able to spin the wheel, we have to enter our details. So I'm just going to put my name and email address, and let's spin the wheel and let's find out. Let's put this to the test. Yes, very good. We got 10% off. And as you can see, it will display our coupon code, and now we can just copy and use it on the website. So let's go back to Optinly now. And if you go into subscribers, you will see that I am there now. Hello at mrwebreviews.com. So all your subscribers will be handled via Optinly. Through this page, you can see them. They'll all be listed here basically, okay? Now, what if you want to build your mailing list, email list using different providers? Maybe you want to use MailChimp, maybe you have Aweber or MailerLite or any of them. As you can see, you can use any of those features and have them seamlessly integrated in Optinly as well. So it's a very complete solution that will help you grow your sales, grow your conversion rate, and also build up your email list. Okay, now let me tell you how you can win one of those 10 prizes. Okay, so first, clearly you have to be subscribed to my channel. But what I want you to do is very simple. All you have to do is to share a link to one of my videos, so any of my videos. So simply post a link on Twitter, and then don't forget to tag me as well at Mr. Web Reviews so that I'll know that you posted it. And on Monday, the 25th of this month, so 25th of October, I will announce the 10 winner. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the 25th to reveal the 10 winners.